What is up, everybody? This is me, Yasman. Welcome back to another new vlog 69. Yes, you guys, so today's new vlog, guys, I'm gonna be going to Not Scary Farm, and it's gonna be like a lot of fun. I'm gonna be going to like some like new mazes, some old mazes, and I'm gonna be showing you guys some some everything. Yes, you guys, so if you guys are new to this channel, please hit that like button below, subscribe if you're there, and alright guys, let's get started for this vlog 69 for Not Scary Farm. Alright, let's go. As you guys know, we are here at Not Scary Farm. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, welcome back here. So guys, now we're gonna go to the new maze called 8 Fingers of 9. Yeah, so alright guys, let's go to this maze.
Fingers, 4. Don't even bother with it. Your flesh torments You think I've been elated? Second bite, but my hunger's not yet sated. Another run-sent bite that sinks into the bone. Perhaps evil the woodsman found magic a long time ago. The women with power, both strange and sublime, they're now faithful servants of 8 Fingers 9.
Alright guys, alright guys, next maze, that was super scary. Alright guys, this maze is the Widow. Let's go. Alright guys, that was fun. Alright, next maze, let's go. Next maze we have Bloodline. Let's go.
Come along, brother. Welcome to Aldonia.
Alright guys, that was scary. Alright guys, so next we're gonna be doing a hang time. Alright, let's see if I can take my GoPro. Alright, let's go.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion.
Alright guys, we're now gonna do Xcelerator ride entry and let's see if I can take my GoPro. So alright, let's go. So we're gonna be doing this Xcelerator last ride. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, welcome back here. So guys, I had like a lot of fun in Not Scary Farm. and it was like super fun and super scary. So guys, I already did like some other mazes I went, but like I didn't record. So like the 3 mazes I went, it was the Widow, the second one is 8-9, and the third one I went, it was Bloodline 1942. Also I went 2 rides I went, but it was like some scariest ride, and I also took a video of it, so you guys will see inside the vlogs. And the 2 rides I went, it was the Hang Time, and the second one is the Xcelerator, which was the last ride I went. Yes, so guys, I think I'm just gonna like end the vlog over here. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe if you're there, and I'll see you guys in another new vlog for Dark Harbor, and also a trip to China. Yes, so I'll see you guys in another new vlog for Dark Harbor, vlog 70. Alright, bye.